need to hold him back from you. Banjo! So, if you remember from our last video, we headed over to John's place, the Keystone Equipment, and we purchased a skid steer, and it's coming today! And I'm so excited! Because we got so much to do, especially when the 4th of July is literally in a couple days, and we're hosting a big family friend party, so it's gonna be awesome. All right, so this Saturday for the 4th of July, not on the 4th, but actually on the 6th, we're having a bunch of family and friends come, and we want them to park over on this side of the yard, and we got all those logs. So honestly, this is perfect timing with the skid steer, the skid loader coming now, because we're just gonna move all of these logs and people can park there. It's gonna be perfect. I am so excited for the 6th. It could not come any sooner. There's gonna be fireworks, good food. As soon as John comes and we unload that skid loader, the first thing we're gonna do is move these logs because they gotta go. Ben just found this robin nest.
I don't think it's a robin nest, that's too small.
What is it? It's blue though.
It's blue speckled. And then robins have blue eggs and blue jays have blue eggs and...
Looks like a...
I'm not a bird expert.
I'm so excited. And afterwards, when they drop off, we're gonna walk around and show them around the property. They saw the lake coming in. They're like, there's the lake there. It's like, yep. We're gonna show them the lake. It's maiden ground touch.
This falls right off.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pick up all of these, move them. You can mow over this. Then we'll set some boards the other perpendicular.
Yeah.
And then we'll set the logs that we have over there on top. So nice to have a skid steer. I cannot tell you. I literally set up the cameras and went to go get Banjo Boy, came back, and Ben has all this cleared out right here. He just threw them on top of the other logs. The next goal is, I guess he wants me to try to mow down all this stuff. I don't know if that's really gonna work. And then we're gonna move my log pile and bring it back here for now. Okay, so we are back at it again. We ran out of time yesterday because it got dark,
But Ben is switching from the grapples to the forks because we're going to move these big guys. Wah, wah, wah. Look at them.
So the one issue that we're running into, well, not really an issue, is every time we've ever taken logs out back to the gas line, we've just drug them with the tractor. Now we're actually just grabbing them with the grapple, and longer logs don't fit horizontally back because there's a lot of saplings and a lot of little trees that, are you getting flowers? Okay, that prevent the tree from going. So we're gonna grab the good old 300 and we're gonna cut some little trees down so we can fit bigger trees back there.
Okay, so I'm going to pick up some flowers for the Fourth to make our house look a little bit prettier before people show up. But there is a sweet little Amish family down the road, and Ben and I were actually already there, and we picked up some stuff for our garden. And our garden's looking really good. I'm super excited about our garden. We did a garden one year, and all we planted was zucchinis. And we had like 7-8 zucchini plants. We had zucchinis till, I think I still have zucchinis in the freezer. And that was like 4 years ago. So I'm heading down there now to see what type of flowers she has, because I know I saw some flowers last time we were there.
So really we only have a few trees we gotta take down. One, a little cluster, 2, 3, and 4. So let's do it. We're gonna take these 2 and this guy last, because he's gonna fall on top. Now hopefully we just grab the grapple and throw it away.
Okay, I was walking around and nobody's here today. It's self-serve for today, besides the horse. I guess he's gonna help me out. Right here it says self-serve. Here's all the prices for this, and this is what I'm getting. I wanted some more white, but
This is what I'm gonna get. So like you get 2 of these for 10. So I'm gonna get 6 of them. And then I think I'm gonna get these 2 hanging baskets. I really like them. But let me just show you real quick. They got like signs and stuff and all these flowers. So pretty. There's more over here, canned stuff. But here's all these flowers. So much to choose from. I wish there was more white. And these are not for sale, otherwise I would have grabbed these ones. These ones are kind of white. I think we're just gonna go with red. There's a whole lot more in here though, I do know that. And these are cool. I don't know what these are, but these are kind of cool. I like these. Pretty. All right. So I'm gonna check out and I'm gonna do some planting today.
I don't think this one will fit back there.
Okay, we can cut it.
Okay, that's what I was gonna say. Do you want to cut this one?
Yeah, I'll cut it. Long to get back by the pipeline, so I'm gonna cut it like 6 feet with 500i. Then it's gonna lift up the log for me a little bit. just keep going anyway. Because my stubborn mind is like, no, it's gonna be okay. It wasn't. Got stuck. Just hit the bottom a little bit. Then I should have definitely done like an undercut first and then tried to match it. It would have snapped better. We have to hook you up because if we don't, you'll just run up right to that big machinery. You get crushed. Banjo, do you have anything to say to the viewers? Huh? Anything? Do you have anything? You're just happy? You're just happy to be here? Yeah. And he's hungry. Are you hungry? Oh, he's like, you said the H word, Mom. Okay, so we have about 30 minutes until the storm gets here, and we have a couple logs left. So, if you've been following along, Big Log Larry was here and we cut a couple white pines. Yeah, those are the white pines. So, we need to cut them in half because they're way too long for the skid steer to get through the path. Cut them in half and get in there. We got 30 minutes, so let's go. Hurry up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. To cut these trees down, but this one is actually, this one here is the top of this big guy. So that was a pretty big white pine. It's really tall. Today's video, just moving a bunch of logs in muddy paws. This video is brought to you by PA Great Outdoors Visitors Bureau, home of the Chainsaw Carvers Rendezvous.